हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हेलो, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अल्कोहल फिनोल ईथर के इस वीडियो में आपका सभी का स्वागत है। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कोहल. We have already made the video regarding the method of preparation of alcohol. Go and check it out. This is the fourth video. So first we need to understand about lower alcohols. What are those lower alcohols mean? You must have heard about methanol, right? So we mainly make 15-minute videos for you to understand the concept better. It is related to the JEE, neet as well as cbse board, so you can go through it. Or general who wants to learn organic chemistry very well, you can subscribe the channel right now. Lower alcohols are basically colorless and sweet smelling. लिक्विड्स होते हैं जो हायर अल्कोहल्स होते हैं, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो कलरलेस, odorless, no smell, and waxy solids. Okay, the second point we are going to write about the physical properties of alcohol is, you can write down with me. The second point is alcohols are highly soluble in water. Highly soluble, they can easily dissolve in the water, so we can say the alcohols are highly soluble in water in any proportion. In any proportion, you must understand about this topic. Why? Due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding, it is soluble. So as the molecular weight increase, the solubility also decrease. Okay, so solubility decrease with increase in molecular weight. For example, if the question is like that, so you have ethanol, methanol, okay, propanol also. So the solubility will be greater for this as molecular weight is lesser. So its solubility is highest for methanol, and then so on. The third point in the physical properties we are going to discuss is boiling points. The boiling points of alcohols are greater than alkyl halides or corresponding alkyl halides or ether, because of the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Because of the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, the bonding makes the molecules attached together, and because of that, the alcohol's boiling point is greater than corresponding ethers or alkyl halide. Okay, so they associate as a molecules. Now if we are writing like that, this is your alcohol. Okay, it is combined with the next molecule of alcohol, then it is combined with the next molecule of alcohol. So because of this intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the molecules of this, it is require high energy to break it. So more energy required to break this bond, and because of that, the boiling point of alcohol is higher. Whenever we are talking about alkanes or haloalkanes, there is only van der Waals forces between them, nor hydrogen bonding or dipole-dipole interactions. Dipole-dipole interaction. which can be easily broken compared to hydrogen bonding. That's why their boiling point is lesser. For example, if I'm talking Ca2H5OH, that is ethanol, and corresponding to that, the ether, that is CH3OCH3. Okay, or we can take C2H5X compound. In this, the boiling point of alcohol is always greater corresponding alkyl halides. Okay. Also note, the boiling point is directly proportional to molecular weight or surface area. Molecular weight and surface area. For example, if I am talking about the alcohols only, for example, you can go through 3 degree. Okay, this is 3 degree, right? Or 2 degree also you can make. Let's make it neobutyl CH3 CHOH. This is isobutyl. What is this? Isopropyl alcohol. Okay, its boiling point must be greater than CH3 CH2 CH2OH and propyl alcohol. So you must remember that. And the butyl one is much greater. The next point we are going to discuss is alcohols cannot be dried over anhydrous calcium chloride. अल्कोहल्स को आप ड्राई नहीं कर सकते हैं ओवर एनहाइड्रस कैल्शियम क्लोराइड बिकॉज दे solid derivatives with CaCl2 4CH3OH okay is alcoholates or alcohol. Okay, so yeah, these are also known as alcoholates or alcohol of crystallization. So this is the thing, and the next we are going to discuss the chemical properties of alcohol. So you can write down the heading chemical properties. Let's discuss that. The first one is reaction with cleavage of OH bond, cleavage of OH bond due to H plus, due to H plus. Okay. So in this reaction, acidic nature of alcohol shows alcohols are very weak acids in nature and almost neutral. Okay, so it shows the very weak acid nature alcohol in which H plus is released, and they are almost considered as basic. neutral. Okay, so in this method what we have to do, for example, you can write down so let's go with it. In alcohols, due to presence of an electron releasing alkyl group, electron densities increase. So in alcohol, due to presence of an electron releasing alkyl group, electron densities increase on oxygen atom, right? And because of that, which hinder the release of proton. So that's why these are weak acid. Proton means H plus. For example, ROH. So R is donating electrons. So there is already electron density increase on this. Let's discuss about order of reactivity on acidity. CH3OH is highly reactive, then 1 degree, then 2 degree, then 3 degree alcohols. Okay, so this is the theory regarding that. Let's discuss some chemical reactions also with metals. First one, alcohols with reactive metals like sodium, potassium to give metal alkoxides, which react with haloalkane to form ether. So which can be further react with haloalkane to give ether. Let's discuss the reactions. This is alcohol react with sodium metal, gives 2RONA. 2RONA. Okay. This 2RONA further gets with H2 gas. H2 gas is released, reacts with R-X alkyl halides to give ether, ROR plus NaX. Let's go with the example of it. First, we need to use the alcohol. This is CH3OH, simple methanol, reacts with 2Na to give CH3O Na plus H2 gas released. Now this metal reacts with, you can write down CH3ONA, reacts with CH3ONA, reacts with any alkyl halide, any other alkyl halide. For example, you can take 2H5Cl, that will be HCO C2H5 plus NaCl. So this is the ether. I hope you are able to understand this. Methyl ethyl ether. Further, the next reaction we are going to discuss in this next is from ether, ester formation, Grignard reagent, and so many others. Until that, subscribe the channel